Welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Today is the day I'm going to get the mulch for my garden area, and we're here at Home Depot. Okay, they have all the mulch outside, so I'll just pull up the truck and we'll get it. It's 5 for $10 right now, so if you're going to get mulch, it's good to get it when they have their spring sale. So I'm gonna take advantage. I'm back from Home Depot, and before I lay down the mulch, I wanted to make sure to just get an idea of what I want my stepping stones to look like, so people come and walk through the garden, they don't have to walk on the mulch unless they want to. So here you'll see I have some of the step stones already going, so as they enter in the garden, they're spaced out pretty nicely, and then I'm gonna have more going up each row of the garden, about 5 going up each side of the garden beds here, 5 this way, 5 that way, 5 in the back, because I'm going to add 2 more raised beds in the back there. So this will give me a good idea of my starting point as I continue to buy more. These were only about $1.48 per cement stone. They're 12 by 12s. So with the area being so small, I didn't want to get the 16 by 16, so I thought I'd just get 12 by 12. They'll suit perfectly fine. So yeah, and it's really affordable. Here is where we are right now. I've scattered the bags all around the garden so I don't have to, carry them later. So now I'm just gonna open up each bag and lay them evenly, spread it out over the garden here. All right, before I get started, I need to go get some gloves because they recommend that you use gloves when you're using this stuff. I got the brown mulch. Comes in red, black, and all that, but I just wanted it to be natural so that if the brown wears off, that it'll still look natural for my garden. So I'm gonna grab my gloves here and we can get working. Vigoro and their premium brown mulch, 2 cubic feet, color guaranteed for 12 months. I'm really not worried about the color thing, but helps prevent weeds. That's my big thing. That's why I wanted to lay the landscape fabric and then put some mulch down, because I'm getting tired of cutting around my garden, the grass and the weeds that pop up. And it says it helps soil retain moisture. And it says for best results, naturally prevents weeds if you put it up to 3 inches high. But since I have landscape fabric, I'm just gonna do 2 inches because I don't want rodents, bugs and stuff to live under my mulch. So 2 inches is what I'm gonna do today. And as you can see, I told you, wear gloves when handling mulch to avoid color transfer to the skin. Oh, okay. And to minimize the effects of the weather, turn the top layer during seasonal planting. And this is how the mulch looks right from the bag. Nice color. I love the natural looking color. So we're just gonna drop this here. I'm gonna keep it all into this rectangle. Like I said, this part will have hostas and everything, so I'm having I'm using some different landscape ideas, maybe rock. All right guys, so as you see, I'm halfway through the garden, so I think I can finish this today. I have been putting it down and listening and making sure if I step on it, I don't hear the landscape fabric. If I do, I'm adding a little bit more, just to get that 2 inches deep. And it's looking so good so far, don't you think? I'm so happy and pleased with it so far. So I'm just gonna keep plowing through so we can get it done. All right, let's go. Like my lizard friend who came to visit likes the new setup. Look at him go. Okay guys, it's all finished, and I'm so thankful for daylight savings time because the days are longer and this means more light for me. But I got it done. I'm so happy. It looks great. I'll give you guys a little pan of it at the end of this video. But like I said, you could do whatever you want to do and want to achieve if you set your mind to it. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me on this video. If you enjoyed this time with me, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.